Hi, everyone. 3 months ago, decided to start a YouTube channel. I didn't really know what would work. I just knew I wanted to create. One of the things that I tried was writing my own songs. I wrote the lyrics myself and then used Suno AI to help turn those ideas into music. It was fascinating seeing words I had written actually become songs, but didn't want the channel to be just one thing, so I started experimenting. I made animal videos with research based out voiceovers. I tried relaxing ASMR content. I made motivational and cinematic shots. At one point, I even organized an animal football tournament, which was honestly one of the most fun projects I worked on. And this was at the same time when FIFA World Cup 2026 was happening. Looking back, I think the channel has been less about finding a niche and more about discovering what I actually enjoy creating. Like many creators, I also looked for advice. I hired someone on Fiverr who claimed to be a marketing expert. Unfortunately, that turned out to be a big mistake. Some of the methods they used were intransparent. They eventually resulted in a copyright strike on my channel, with YouTube limiting some of the advanced features on my channels, but then I verify my ID to get that back. And yeah, it's just been unfortunate. But as soon as I realized what had happened, I stopped working with them, canceled the project, and thankfully received a refund. It was a frustrating lesson, but definitely one I'll remember. So, despite all the experimenting, after just 3 months, my channel reached over 1,000 subscribers and around 5,400 views. For a brand new channel, I was generally happy with that progress. Naturally applied for YouTube monetization and I was rejected. At first, obviously, I was disappointed, but after taking some time to think about it, I actually understand why. I don't think YouTube is, I think the copyright strike had a major impact on my ability to monetize. And the other things is some of my videos do look like they are generated entirely from AI. Although I have been writing my own scripts, I've been doing significant modifications as I've gone along. But obviously, there has to be a way to prove to YouTube that what I've done is, completely my own work, and of course, complemented with AI. So I don't think YouTube is against AI. I think YouTube wants to see human activity leading the process, and AI obviously is an incredible tool, but it shouldn't replace the creator, and it should support the creator. Looking back at my videos, even though I wrote my own scripts and put genuine effort into them, I can also understand how some of them may appear to have too little human impact input. Well, that's actually the case or not. Perception really matters. So instead of arguing with the decision, I've decided to improve. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to give this channel a complete cleanup. I'll remove videos that no longer represent the direction I want to take, and I will aim to focus on quality instead of quantity. From now on, I'll be recording my own voiceovers. I'm going to make sure every video has much more of me in it. Um, I still use AI. I think AI is one of the most powerful creative tools we've ever had, but I'll use it the way I believe it should be used, as an assistant, not as a replacement. I will, though, remain a faceless creator, but even without showing my face, I want the viewers to recognize that there's a real person behind every video, someone researching, someone writing, someone editing, someone learning. Now, this channel is still very much an experiment. Some ideas will fail, some hopefully will surprise me, and over time, I will become a better storyteller because of it. So here's to the next 3 months, hopefully with better videos, better storytelling, and maybe next time a successful monetization application. If you've been following this journey, thank you. And if you're just finding this channel now, welcome. Let's see where this journey takes us. And together we're stronger. Thank you.